Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo AIP. Today we are going to see how to make calls directly with a gateway, the PA3 model of Fanvil. First of all, we need to register it. Here is a link on how to register phones and any IP equipment. Once registered, we go to the Intercom Settings tab and then to Multicast. There, we can set an address to play music through a PC. We'll see how to do that later. We also have the Time Plan tab, where we can configure music that we have previously uploaded by going to System, Upgrade. If we go to the Rings section, we can upload MP3 audio files and have them played at a specific time. If I go back to Intercom Settings and the Time Plan, I can also connect a USB and play a playlist from the memory at a defined time. As a test, we play a local audio file, give it a name, and set it to play locally. Here, we would select it as circle so that it plays consecutively and does not stop. It will be local, and we can set it to play daily, weekly, or monthly. We choose our case. Here we would select the day and time. We can select 4:12 p.m. and have it end at 4:14 p.m. We click on Add, and that music will play automatically. We proceed to dial 1001, we dial the speaker, and the music stops there. We hang up the call, and the music would continue playing. Here we will also show a connection diagram for the equipment. The connection is very simple. We just have our gateway from the speaker output. We will connect the positive to the positive of the speaker and the negative of the SPK to the negative of the speaker. We connect the gateway to a network switch where there is DHCP. After that, we just need to configure an extension for the equipment and dial it from any phone. To play music from the PA3, go to Intercom Settings, Multicast, check Enable Page Priority, Proc on, Emerge on, and leave these options as default. Here we have two multicast addresses. The first broadcast address is for paging, and the other address would be used to send music via streaming over the network to the PA3. On the PBX side, go to Call Features, Paging Intercom, define a group, enter the one that is already created, give it a name, set the strategy to multicast, add an extension, any one will do, as long as it is not in use, leave the duration at 0 so that it is unlimited, and add a multicast address for the paging. Here you can use any multicast address you want, and by default all participants will be added, so we leave it as is and these options also without modification. We click Save and go to Multicast Community. In Multicast Community we create a name, a different extension is created, maximum call 0, and we add the group where all the extensions will be. These options are also default, so we leave them as they are. When we make the announcement, we will be able to dial 102 or the multicast group, which is 8000, on either of those two extensions when the music is playing. If we dial 8000 or 102, the music from PA3 should stop and the paging should start, and when the call is hung up, the paging should stop and the music that is already playing should continue. It is worth mentioning that you need to download a program called ffmpeg, which you can download from the official website. It will create a folder, and once downloaded, it will show us a folder like the one below. We can set it anywhere, enter it, and go to bin. In bin, we will have the ffmpeg program with which we would start. We also define a playlist, which is for playing any track that we add to this same bin folder. Here I have several. To add them, start with the file option, add the song path in single quotation marks, followed by a period in the file format. When we execute a command, which we will see below, this command will execute track by track. The music will not stop if we issue the command, it will play infinitely. We open a command prompt window and copy the path where we have the music. We typed CD to change the directory. Once in the path, we would only need to copy the command. I will leave this command in the description of this video. If we press enter, the music will start. If I go to the server, the songs will play one by one, and if I return to the server and dial the paging group, 102, the music should stop. We dial the server, and the music stops automatically. and you will hear the paging. We hang up, and the music will continue playing. You will hear it again. As you can see, the program continues to run automatically from the computer window. If we want to make another announcement, we dial 8000 for the group, and the music stops again. The paging begins. We hang up, and the music continues again. I will also put the command here on the screen. This is the command for you to keep in mind, and it is adjusted to avoid playback delays. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.